Hey, what is Gatta's Prestige Skull here, or Prestige Skull, or as you know as my old account, Super Saiyan Prime. Well, like I said, I will keep y'all updated for like the news for Xenoverse 2. As you can see, I have the Priestess clothes, but for some reason it is not on the TP metal shop right now. It's really fucking stupid. But anyways, I got some great news though. Bad news and great news. Bad news is the clothing is not here for some reason. I don't see it. You see, I don't see no trunks. I don't see nothing. No priest, no trunks. It's stupid. But the accessories are finally here. Look, Future Trunks sword, the gas mask, the great priest ring. It's right there, and Angel's helmet. They all here right now, and Magetta's head. So if you on right now, like let's say if you got the all clothing like I do right now, you can go get your accessory. As you can see, I had no TP. That's sad. I only have one because I spent it all on the fucking on all the clothing because they're very expensive. But I just wanted to keep y'all updated that we got the sword right now. I mean, we got the accessory right now. So there you go. It's right there. Looks pretty dope. Yeah, I really like it. And the gas mask looks dope, like GTA 5 type shit, like heist. If you guys know what I'm talking about, yeah. But then I don't care. Alright, but anyways, the Future Trunks sword looks long as fuck. No homo, but it really looks long as fuck. And Angel's helmet right there, Magetta's head. Well, that's all. That's about it in this video. I just wanted to let y'all guys know that the accessories are finally out now, because when the people that have the clothing like me, we couldn't get the full outfit, but now we could get the full outfit. So if you don't have enough TP, start grinding right now for a couple more before they take it out like they did for the clothing. So I'm gonna start grinding right now, probably get to 170, get the sword and the ring. So that's about it, guys. I'll catch you guys at the next Xenoverse 2 news, and that's about it. So remember to stay tuned for my live stream tomorrow for Call of Duty Zombies. And yeah, DLC 5 is around the corner for Black Ops 3. If you guys are interested, I'll be live streaming it on May 16, because that's when it comes out. So yeah, show love, guys. Show love as much as you show love in this and the Dragon Ball Z channel. Show love on the Black Ops 3 channel. You know, we all love zombies. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Later.